Hi everyone, this is Diego from LVN Studio. Welcome to my first video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to split your images for Instagram using Photoshop so it looks something like this for vertical images and like this for horizontal images. So get your popcorn, sit back and relax.
Wait a minute.
What?
Shouldn't they be sitting on their computers practicing this along with you?
Oh yeah, my wife is always right. So go get your popcorn, your laptop, and opening Photoshop the vertical image that you want to post on Instagram. As a first step, we're going to select the crop tool, but before we start the process of splitting the image, I like to crop and save my main image in a 4:5 ratio because this is how it's going to display on Instagram and I like to see it ready to go. After you save your main image, to start the splitting process, we're going to change the crop ratio to an 8:5, as you can see here, and then we will adjust the size of it by dragging the corners and centering it. In my case, for portraits, I like to make sure that the middle line is by her nose. After that, we'll select the view, new guide layout, make sure that the preset is custom and the number is 2. This number under columns is just an indicator of how many times you want to split your image in 2. Then let's go back to the crop tool, select the slice tool, click on the button slices from guides, which will finally split your image in 2. Let's go to file, export, and then save for web legacy. Make sure it is on JPEG and the quality is 100, which is the full quality. And finally click on save. Now I'm gonna show you where they are located. I think for every computer it automatically creates a folder named images, and that's where you can find both of them. I'm gonna open them right now. There you go. Now on your phone, you're gonna select, when you post, you're gonna select your main image and then click on the button for multiple images, select the other 2 that we just saved, and after this you don't have to make any adjustments and it's just gonna look just like this. Now for the horizontal image, we're pretty much gonna repeat the same steps, except that the ratio is gonna be 12:4. Thanks so much for watching, I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions not only related to this topic, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram. I will leave a link on the description of the video and I'll be happy to help you as much as I can. Bye bye.